Greetings, ladies and girls, boys and gentlemen of every age, color, shape, and size. Welcome to my sneeze. Welcome to the sight of my face. Welcome to the sound of my voice. I'm out cutting grass, and today I was thinking about Christmas. Christmas music, specifically. The Trans-Siberian Orchestra, have you heard of them? This night we pray, our eyes will show. I don't know the melody that well. I probably shouldn't sing that since This night we pray, our lives will show this street. He had each child still knows. Anyway. Welcome to my sneezing and singing. Oh man, this is the second sneezing and singing song I've done in a long time. No, like in a week. That's not a long time. But anyway, the last time I was in my studio. So people, I love you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, people. I love you so much with all of my heart. And it's Christmas time. There's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time, we let in light and we banish shame. And in our world of plenty, we can spread a smile of joy. Throw your arms around the world at Christmas time. But say a prayer, pray for the other ones at Christmas time. It's hard, but while you're... Anyway, I love you people. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will talk to you later. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. I love you people. Bye.